future. Three years ago, we started with a simple dream. Create a community where technology isn't just learned but lived. Today, we are more than just a club. We are a launchpad for the next generation of tech innovators.
Imagine a world where everything is connected, where everything talks. That's our playground. From sensors, actuators, to microcontrollers. We are building smart solutions that drive everyday life to be more efficient, more connected, and more intelligent. That is IoT.
In a world of digital threats, we are the guardian. We analyze vulnerabilities to develop security protocols and ensure that technology remains a tool of empowerment, not exploitation.
So, being part of Itech community changed my perspective about tech careers. They showed us it's not about gender, it's about idea and innovation.
We are decoding the language of data from predictive analytics to machine learning algorithms. We are teaching computers on how to think, learn, and solve complex problems that can change the world. Thank you.
When I see alumni like Velma succeeding in tech companies, it reminds me that we can achieve anything. Today, our women in tech community is stronger than ever.
Our collaboration with Google Developer Student Club has opened up amazing opportunities. We have hosted tech talks, workshops, and even hackathons.
The skills I've gained in this club, they're priceless. Today I'm able to work with technologies that I never imagined I will master, and it all started here.
To every student watching, technology isn't about being the smartest in the room. It's about curiosity, it's about collaboration, it's about believing that you can make a difference.
Building the future of decentralized technology. Blockchain isn't just a technology for us, it's a philosophy of transparency, security, and democratized innovations.
We don't just play games, we create universes. Our game developers are storytellers, artists, and engineers, crafting immersive experiences that push boundaries of interactive entertainment.
Being part of Itech has really changed my perspective towards the technological careers. It has shown me that innovation is not about gender, it's about the dream and the innovation.
And this is Itech's 2024 anniversary.